Greetings, Earthlings and fellow space travelers. I'm Astronaut Lauren, and today we are on a special mission in outer space to explore personal space. Just like in the cosmos, everyone has their own invisible bubble that helps them feel safe and comfortable. This bubble is our personal space, and it is super important to honor and respect personal space to help everyone feel comfortable. Every planet has its own space, and they all respect each other's areas. When a comet or asteroid zooms too close, it can make a planet feel crowded. The same goes for us. See, when someone steps into our bubble without asking, it can make us feel anxious or upset. If you like more space, it's okay to say, "Can you please step back a little?" It's a way to let them know that you need more room. And it's not just about how close someone gets. Personal space is about the things and places that are special to us. Like maybe you have a favorite seat or toy that feels like it's a part of your bubble. It's okay to let friends and family know about the things and places that are important to you. And remember, if you feel overwhelmed, you can be like a spaceship and zoom to a quiet spot where you feel safe and have some alone time. Understanding personal space helps everyone get along better, like stars in the sky, giving each other room to twinkle in their own way. So, let's all practice asking before entering someone's space, and remember to respect their answer. Friends, thank you for joining me on this space quest. Remember to respect each other's personal space. Until next time, over and out.